Greetings, welcome to Self-Assessment 4, Problem 4. So in Problem 4, they say your answers for 1 and 3 should be different. Why is this the case? Answer in a complete sentence. There's actually quite a bit more to this problem than meets the eye in these short little sentences. So let's start off first of all, just a quick review of what we had in Problem 1, in that we remember that in 2005, by the way, just remember this is 2005 right here, which was 25 years since 1980, we got a sales of $2.12 million, okay? And then after we determined our regression equation being given by S of t equal, again, one more time, that was 0.0389 times t plus 1.27, I'm going to run out of room here, but that's okay, 2746, we'll squeeze it in, okay, that's 46 there. All right, anyway, so that regression equation, just to point out to you, that on my graph right here, that's being plotted by this line right there, okay? And so when we calculate S of 25, what you're doing is you're calculating a point on that line. As a matter of fact, what you're doing is you're calculating this red point right here. So if you take a look at this red point that I've got plotted right here, that red point right there, that is S of 25. Notice it is on the line, okay? Now, the data point that we plotted was not S of 25. The ordered pair that we plotted, in other words, the scatter plot, was 25 by, well, let's see, recall again, what did we get out of the table? Oh, it was 2.12, right? So that point, that's right here. That's this guy, okay? And so S of 25, which again, just so that we make sure we know what that was, S of 25 was equal to 2.2471. We rounded it off to 2.5 just to make it convenient to compare to 2.12, but we can see that it was slightly larger than the value that was given by the regression equation. Okay, so let's go back to what the question is. Why is this the case? Well, that's because the original value, this one right here, this is referred to as an observed value. And then this value right up here, in other words, this is when I'm talking about the observed, is the 2.12. This is a predicted value. So back to trying to write a complete sentence here. Why is this case in a complete sentence is because the value of 2.12 is an observed value, that's an E there really, and well what? And the value of well, let's go with the 2.5, which is what we gave as our answer, is a predicted value. In other words, it comes from the regression equation. So a predicted value from the Reg EQ. So this is actually a good question to get you start thinking about a really important concept in statistics when you're doing a regression analysis, is the difference between the observed values and the predicted values. So this concept of observed versus predicted turns out to be a big deal as we work our way through this course and up into elementary stats, which I hope you all have in your schedule as one of your courses you should take at some point in your career. Okay, I think that is enough for this one, and we'll see you back here for number 5.